Good morning, gardening family. I'm back at my sister's house. Today is Sunday. It is bright and early in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm mad I forgot my sunglasses, but whatever. I'm getting ready to, I'm going to prune all of these now. So I probably have about 15 plants left to prune. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of those. I might cut her grass because it's looking really foresty back here. Looks like the jungle, but I might cut her grass. I don't know yet, but I do, like I said, I want to prune some stuff, and that's about it. That's all I got going on today. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I wanted to give you guys an overview, but the other camera was just acting so funky and was not working, so sorry. Alright, so it's loud again today, so sorry about that. I don't know if it's gonna rain. I gotta look at my phone to see if it's gonna rain again soon, because if not, then I'm gonna go ahead and water this. Well, actually I think I'm gonna go to Lowe's and get that water hose that everyone has, that where it only gets on like the base instead of like on the leaves. So I think I'm gonna go get that today. Of course, I have a new video coming out every Sunday. I typically try to get the video uploaded on a Sunday. I mean, at 3 o'clock on Sunday. Hopefully I get it loaded today. I still want to do a voiceover. I was undecided if I wanted to do music or do a voiceover. Let me know what you guys prefer. Do you prefer just to watch me and listen to some music, or do you like the one I talk to you guys? So let me know. This one didn't need that much. When I say it didn't need that much, I'm referring to it didn't have that many yellow leaves, but I do prune it up pretty good. When I was editing my last video, I realized that I was throwing a whole bunch of it onto the ground. I mean, it's okay, it's biodegradable, but still. I must say that after pruning my plants and going back during the week, my tomato plants have a lot more flowers on them. So this is something I'm going to have to keep in mind for next year. Hey, that you have to prune your plants. You need to cut some of these leaves off, the stems off, simply because tomatoes like to breathe. And I was shocked at that. Now, I got a lot of peppers growing in as well, so I planted tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and also spaghetti squash. The only things that are really surviving right now are going to be my tomato plants, barely, and also my pepper plants. I do have a lot of peppers coming in, so I'm hoping that they are not like black like I showed you guys in my last video. But I am super excited. All I've been doing is, once I pick my peppers, is I chop them up and then put them in the freezer, because I'm not letting all of my hard work and frustration, blood, sweat, and tears go to waste, you guys. It's different from buying in the store. Oh, thank goodness the sun went down. I must say that you appreciate the food that you grow simply because you grew it. You don't want anything to go to waste, and that's exactly how I feel. So I brought my other camera, or my daughter's camera, so I can give you guys an overview. And for some odd reason, the memory card isn't working, so there's that. I'm not sure if this is a good thing or if it's a bad thing that I'm using 2 different fertilizers, but it seems to be doing my plants well. My plants seem to like it, so I am going to continue to do it. I think I'm using 2 different organic fertilizers. One is like a dust, and the other ones are pellets. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but hey, my plants like it, so I'm gonna continue to do it. I'll probably do it next year as well. I know some people were telling me to use like a blood meal or something like that. I'm not sure about that just yet, you guys, but we'll see how my plants do. Let me know in the comments down below what I need to use to get my potatoes to grow. I'm thinking about planting more potatoes. I don't know if it's too late or not. I am in zone 8A. Let me know in the comments down below if it's too late to try to get another round of potatoes. I am determined to get potatoes right. So the few potatoes that I did grow, I ate them in, or homegrown tomatoes, not tomatoes, potatoes supposed to be like mushy. Why is my tomato looking like this? What happened? What's going on? Can someone please tell me what is happening to this tomato, or to all of my tomatoes? Because a lot of them look like this. It looked like Freddy Krueger came through and started just I don't know what's going on with these. Let me know in the comments down below, please. And I'm more than likely going to turn my camera off because it's already hot. So yeah, let me turn my camera off for now. All right, so I have finally trimmed up a lot of stuff, and that lets me see that I have 2 big green peppers growing on this one, which is exciting. I'm so excited about that. I have decided to just go ahead and cut her grass back here. Don't know if I'm gonna do the front, but I am gonna do the back. Cut grass since moving to the south. I thought I was gonna have a difficulty doing it, but it just came back to me like riding a bike. I don't mind cutting grass. I don't mind getting my hands dirty and so forth, as long as there's no snakes and no creepy crawlies anywhere in sight. Then I am a-okay with doing yard work and things like that. I do go ahead and cut her front. I do the back and the front, and I must say, after I finished doing the back, it looked a whole lot better. I know we talked about what you guys are going to be planting for the fall. I don't think anyone commented to let me know what they're going to be planting for the fall. If you're in the same zone as I am, 8A, please let me know what you're planting so I can get an idea of what I can plant. I would think about planting some broccoli, spinach, and kale. Not sure if there are other things that I can plant. Can I do carrots, or do carrots prefer warmer weather? Let me know in the comments down below, please. Could y'all help me out? I appreciate each and every one of your comments. Let me know, hey, do this, don't do that. I am greatly appreciative of all of your comments because it has helped me out a lot. If I didn't have you guys commenting and watching my videos, I would have given up a long time ago. So again, thank you all for helping me out. Again, I think I do have some other seeds that I have purchased from MI Gardener for my fall garden. I'm gonna have to look and see, but I know I do have spinach and kale. I think I have 2 to 3 different types of kales. I'll see once I go through my seeds. I haven't really gone through my seeds, and I also really want to do potatoes. So I'm determined, you guys. I really love potatoes, so I am very determined to get my potatoes right. I did see someone, I can't remember who I was watching on YouTube, but they had put bone meal in their potato soil, and I think they also use like black cow. I'm trying to keep my garden organic, so should I use something like this on my plants? I don't know why I won't focus. Here we go. Should I use something like this on my plants? It's on sale for $6. I'm trying to keep all these bugs away, basically. I saw some of these today, green hornworms or whatever the heck they're called. I saw those today, so I'm trying to keep them away. Let me know in the comments down below, how can I keep my stuff organic but still get rid of the insects. I am finally finished with mowing the grass, and of course also pruning my plants. Am I using that term right? Is it pruning or just cutting? I have to look that up. Anyways, I am finished. They look like they're on a diet now, but I feel like they did a whole lot better. I'm happy that I have you guys suggestions in my comments again, because I just let them stay bushy. Now, if I had a big old field of tomato plants, then of course they're just going to have to be big and bushy, because I am not about to be cutting every single or pruning every single tomato plant I have. But anyways, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.